Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zian. I'm your host P Fire, aka P on your favorite MC, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. And on today's episode of Nice Bit of Kit That, I've just got three little trinkets, you know, just a little. As I'm sitting down, I thought, why not give you a little opening trinket. Let's start with this, shall we? Let's start with this. Right here we have this leather. Give you a little close up. You see how it opens up there? This leather Stone Island Shadow Project wallet. Look at that. And I don't know if that's Braille, but you know, it literally might be, but you know, I might have made that up. Yeah, just a nice little card holder. You see right there, you've got your Stone Island Shadow Project kind of. Oops, let's see if we can get that embossed, you know, right there. You know what I'm saying? You got card holder there, of course. You open that shit up, you got the card holders. Of course it folds up like that. You've got that nice little rivet hook, so you can hook it onto your belt if you're that way inclined. And once again, you've got the braille, you know what I mean? Let me see. Damn P, you so fly, you blow my mind. It's Phoenix. Okay, must have been made specifically for me. So yeah, little shadow project wallet. Of course, you got the Stone Island burnished in steel right there on the old clip. Really nice. You got this sort of little hook thing here, so if you want to hook it to your chain, you know, boom, you're good to go. You know, your little belt chain or whatever. Nice little piece. I picked up in the sale. Might have been a couple years ago, 2 years ago. Still got the tags on. I might have paid a blue for it. I think they were retail like £200. Crazy, huh? Yeah, I paid a blue. That's a fiver. So why not? Just yeah, little trinket. What else have we got? So secondary, we have boom body da dee dum boom boom bum body. That was my bossa nova version of Dr. Dre. But yeah, so we have this leather belt here from Stone Island once again. Of course, you've got your buckle right there, and then you see your Stone Island little tag there in like a taffeta. Yes, I used the word taffeta on camera. Like a bit of taffeta. This is, I don't know, some sort of steel, and of course you've got that embellishment right there on the old buckle. Let me show you so you can see up close. Little embellishment there, you know, you see that there. Of course, normal belt buckle style thing. Your leather hoops, so it's kind of like a darky, murky, greenish kind of brown. I really need to get remote control. You can see the leather right there. It's pebbled leather, you know, like your Jordan 3s or something. What else? You got your little Stone Island compass right there. You see that right there. Again, that pebbled leather is showing up like it shows up. Of course, you got your belt holes right there. Nice little belt, man. I need to add some additional holes to it because, you know, my waist isn't that big. But yeah. And then the final little trinket I got is this sort of rude boy man pouch. You know what I'm saying? You see the Stone Island patch logo right there. Let me just move this to the side. This is in a fetching, I don't know what I'd call that colour. I feel like blue is too simple. It's kind of like a purpley blue. I'm looking at it, purpley blue. Yeah, but anyway, really beautiful colour. It's kind of in this nylon, strong nylon, kind of rip stoppy kind of material. As you can see, boom, there's the pouch. You've got your overhead like that, so you can go, and then you've got this additional bit which goes around your waist like that. Boom, and then you can just boom, and then you do that. Oops, so you wouldn't do that because that's not it. You do that. So you know, it's kind of like, you see it Of course, you're not really going to wear it like that, but if you're walking down the beach, you know, or something like that, you might wear it like that, nice and comfortable. I took it on holiday. It's cool. It's a nice little piece, man. It's good. Sometimes, obviously, around your neck, you know, it's better if you're wearing a hoodie and then put it around the hoodie rather than right around your neck, because if you're like me, I just don't like, you know, that, you know, rubbing against the neck kind of thing. Anyway, so you've got this open pouch. It's not a full open pouch, it's kind of like a envelope, but it doesn't fully lift up. Inside you've got your little stone island label there. Of course you've got a stone island label there. You've got a little adjustment piece right there, bam bam bam, to adjust. You've got a zipped compartment which you can put, you know, if you're at the beach, you know, you can put your special beach treats, if you know what I'm saying, in there. That's a nice little spot for that to go. You've got your nice sort of, like, that feels like a soft kind of thin piece of leather, a couple rivets right there for when you button down. Of course, like I said before, you have your patch logo right there. At the back you've got a breathable kind of, you know, membrane, as you can see. Yeah, just a really nice little trinket, shall we say, a little pouch. Yeah, just nice for having around. You know, you pick up these little things, and again, when you can get them for the good price, because you know me, I do love a bargain, then, you know, go through, do the do, and, you know, say who. And, you know, something like this you'll use forever, you know, especially on holiday, like I said. But yeah, guys, that was 3 Stone Island little trinkets, shall we say. I have been your host, P-Fire, aka P is for Pyramid. And this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit Dat. Guys, this has been Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. You guys have been beautiful. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, and as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on the flip side. Stay dope. Peace.